Welcome back. New tonight, Arizona lawmakers consider a bill to help protect people's homes after the I-Team first revealed an Arizona Supreme Court decision left one family homeless.
That's right. The I-Team's Katie Wilcox first brought us this story months ago after an Arizona couple filed for bankruptcy and then learned that their RV they lived in full-time did not count as a home. So the family lost it. So Katie, what is happening as of today?
Right, Mark, Caribe, bankruptcy, it's supposed to help people stay out of a financial crisis and not create an entirely new one. But that's why our state laws protect people's homes in bankruptcy. Until last year, when the Arizona Supreme Court ruled that a motorhome isn't a home at all. Today, the Arizona State Legislature took a first step to change that.
Mr. Chairman and members of the committee.
Arizona Republican Senator Frank Carroll.
Very simple bill.
Taking the first steps to introduce a bill that would protect a motorhome.
Just want to make sure that folks who live how shall I say it, a lifestyle a little different than a stick frame home have an opportunity to survive the process here of bankruptcy and still have a home to live in.
This bill coming after the I-Team first reported on an Arizona Supreme Court decision that left Mary and her husband, Steve Drummond, homeless.
Do you think of your RV as a vehicle or a home?
It's a home.
The Drummonds sold their house to live full-time in their RV back in 2018. But then
We got COVID ourselves.
they got sick.
We were both in ICU at the same time. He's on one end of the floor and I was on the other end.
Credit card debts and nearly $8,000 in medical bills piled up. In 2022, the Drummonds filed for bankruptcy, hoping their RV would be protected as their only home. But the state Supreme Court ruled the RV is not a home.
It's not fair. And just because you live in an RV doesn't mean you're homeless. It just means you're houseless.
In its decision, the court said it can't rewrite the law, adding lawmakers will have to make changes if they disagree with the court's decision.
I appreciate the court deferring to us. They don't do that enough, in my opinion.
On Monday, Senate Bill 1540 was the first step to do just that.
But it does mean that sometimes we've got to then step up when they do, which is what this bill does. So thank you, Senator Carroll, for bringing it. Thank you to Channel 12 News for raising awareness on the issue. And I vote aye.
Passing the Senate Finance Committee unanimously.
It's kind of what we expect here. We try to do our best for the people, and this is a no-brainer. This is pretty easy to do.
Katie, it is kind of a no-brainer, especially in a place like Arizona when so many of our residents come here on a fixed income, they're retired, they live in a motorhome. So what happens now?
So, right, this next steps is that it's going to go to the House or to the Senate floor first, and if it passes there, then it can go over to the House. So this could be a little bit of time in this process. We won't know anything right away, but ultimately, you know, if they all get what they're hoping for, it could become a new law.
All right. Good work on that, by the way. Thanks, Katie.